Hi once again, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using a 4mm crochet hook and milk cotton yarn. You can use any other type of yarn that you have. Just make sure that you're using a corresponding crochet hook. So you need two different colors. So let's begin. So here we're going to begin with a chain of 34. So you can increase the number of chains. Any number will do. So here, I'm going to wrap my yarn around my fingers, set my hook, and make a slip knot. Then we're going to chain 34. 1, 2 chains, 3, 4, 5. So we now have 34 chains here, and we're going to begin the first row of single crochet. So this is single crochet in US terms and double crochet in UK terms. So instead of inserting a hook at the top of the chains here, we're going to turn and we're going to insert in the back bars or the thread loops, the small bumps at the back here. So I'm going to skip the first one from the hook, this one, and then in the next one I'm going to insert, okay, this one, and pick up a loop like this, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Okay, so I'm going to crochet 21 single crochets. So if you want, you can increase the single crochets, it doesn't matter. So next, into the next one, okay, so this is the top, set, pick up a loop, yarn over, pull through, okay, into the next one, yarn over, pull through, into the next, pull through, okay. Like this. So I'm going to continue up until I have 21 single crochets. So here I've done 21 single crochets. So you should have loops on either side, at the top of the stitches and at the bottom, okay. So the remaining chains I'm going to crochet slip stitch, okay. So I'm left with 12 chains. So I insert again in the back bar, pick up a loop, and then pull the loop, pull through the loop on the hook, insert again, then pull through, insert, pull through, and then pull through up until all the chains are done. Okay, now we're left with the last one like this. So here at the end I'm going to cut, and then we'll fasten this off later on like this. So next, make a slip knot, and then you come in the first stitch, okay, below the top 2 loops, okay, like this. Grab the slip knot and pull it through, and then we're going to chain 2, 1 and then 2, okay, like this. In the same stitch we're going to put 6 double crochets. So these are double crochets in US terms and treble crochets in UK terms. So with a double crochet you yarn over, insert in the same stitch, pick up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, okay. Another one, insert, pull through, okay, 2 double crochets, another one, So we now have 2, 4, 6 double crochets plus this chain 2 at the end here. Okay, we're going to come this side. Okay, we have loops again on the side, just like this one. So make sure you turn. Okay, we skip the first 2 stitches, and then make sure you insert your hook at the back. Do not insert like this, but come at the back. Okay, in the third stitch like this. Okay, and then crochet 1 single crochet like this, and then chain 2, 1, 2. In the same stitch put 6 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the same stitch 6. Okay, like this. So next you're going to come again to the side. Okay, we're crocheting on this one, so now we come into this side. So you skip again 2, 1, 2, and then in the third one insert like this, make a single crochet like this, then chain 2, 1, 2, and then put 6 double crochets in that same stitch. Like this, and then now we come again to the side. So make sure that you do not skip more than 2 stitches, as some of the stitches may hide behind the set of double crochets like this one. Okay, so we count it 1, 2, and then we move into this one and make a single crochet. We insert and repeat the pattern. First work a single crochet, and then chain 2, 1, 2, and then we put 6 double crochets in that stitch. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, again we turn and we repeat again. 1, 2, make a single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, put 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again you turn and repeat. So I'm going to repeat up until I'm here, just before we begin the slip stitch. Okay, so here I'm left with 1 single crochet on the other side. So one way you can count your slip stitches that you have here, number of stitches that you did slip stitch, they should be 12. So I'm just going to turn, and in this last one here I skip 2, I'm just going to do 1 single crochet, and chain 1, and then I'm going to cut. So next let's fasten off. So the easier way is you can use a tapestry needle Another way, you can use even your crochet hook. So here we now have our lavender flowers, and if you want you can fasten them off along this line, or you can use these ends to tie this onto something for decoration. You can either use this as a keychain for the key ring, or you can use this as a bookmarker or some other purposes. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like and comment for more videos. Thank you.